antenna turntable automatic. So this is your antenna turntable device. This is antenna fixture, antenna connected dipole, and we can interface with the system. We are using laptop and VCO for RF signal, RF source, RF signal source, and transmitting antenna. We are using dipole antenna only. So this is your setup, transmitting, and this side receiving. This is your antenna turntable. Start, pause and continue. We can pause in between the experiment and then continue also there. Step angle 9 and 18 degree, 9 degree or 18 degree. One you can select for manual operation without interfacing with system. Time interval for from 1 to 99 seconds. So this is your display. It gives you angle reading, dBm reading, watts reading, power in watts, power in dBm, angle in degree. All we can read at a time. Adjust both antennas height properly. It is same height. Bring transmitter antenna and receiver antenna very close and adjust this. And this is your antenna stand, transmitter, that is receiver. This is USB serial converter. So it is connected to laptop. So in the rear panel of the turntable, 9-pin DB9 connector is there. Have to connect this here. This is a system interfacing connector, DB9 connector. For desktop, they have DB9 connector in serial port communication in desktop, but in laptop we don't have any serial port DB9 connector version. So we are using one adapter, and your RF receiving table RF is connected. This is your antenna. This cable is connected to here, the rear panel, RF input. This is transmitting part, that is transmitting antenna stand, antenna connected dipole, and this is microwave signal source VCO. I am already tuned resonating frequency of antenna. In the previous video we explained antenna's gain and directivity measurement video. We explained how to set resonating frequency and all. Please watch that video for if you have any doubts. So next I am using one laptop. It is interfaced with antenna turntable. So now we will start antenna turntable. So first I will explain automatic, completely automatic. It is connected with system. So 1.8 degree is the resolution. One step is 1.8 degree. So I will get for 360 degree 200 readings, 0 to 360 degree. So we cannot note down 200 readings, it is very large. So I will explain manual operation. That time I will explain how to note down the readings manually and conduct the experiment. Now we will do with system, laptop. Here I am using laptop for interfacing. So when you are using laptop and using USB to serial converter adapter, you have to install drivers for that adapter. You have to check in, go to my PC properties, then select device manager. There you select the ports, verify. Okay. So next I will open this software, turntable software, antenna radiation pattern plotter. Here I have to select here COM port 3, but in your system COM port 1 or 2 or 3, which is properly identify the COM port properly. And next Here I am selecting 3 means there you have to select 3 only, that is not a thing. Which device my adapter is selected for COM port 3. So then the baud rate 9600, then a start button is there, press it, then you will be able to read the display part, this one, 0 degree. I will show you here, angle is there, and dBm, microwatt, 00 and 18 is 00 time interval and 18 is angle selected. So 2 programs given, 9 degree, 18 degree for manual operation. For now I am explaining auto operation. Auto means 1.8 degree resolution, so you will get 200 readings. So here also you have all the keypads. Wait for time intervals, 9 and 18 degree also you can select from your system. Fast, continue, measurement means start button only. So all the 4 keypad, whatever in the device, the same thing you can control from your system also. So you can select from system or operate from device. So now we will start. This is the start button. Antenna is rotating. It is 670 degree, 80 degree. It is automatically rotating with a 1.8 degree resolution. So system is plotting the graph automatically. That also I will show you. First you will see this. It is a 180 degree rotation over. Now it is coming towards 270 degree, and it will completely rotate 360 degree, and after that it will come back to original position, because every time it rotates means cable also rotates. Then after 3-4 uses, the cable will be, see this cable completely rotating around the antenna stand, so that will damage. So after completion of 360 degree, it will come back. See now 356, 58, 360 over, it is coming back anti-clockwise. It will completely come back to 0 degree. So your cable will not damage. So okay, we will go to graph. Here is your graph. See, this is your graph. So you observe. So this red is, it is a figure of 8, your dipole antenna radiation pattern, and the blue circle is there, one more, that is half power circle, minus 3 dB. I will show you very close. See, here is a COM port selection, baud rate, stop, save for the .csv file, save graph option is there, angle is given 0 to 360, and your readings are here, angle, dBm, power, all, and your display part, the same display in device, it is here. Wait means time interval, 9/18, 2 programs given for manual operation, pause and continue. MSR means measurement will start. So this is your graph. For dipole it is a figure of 8, almost it is a figure of 8, it's nice, and this is half power. Points here where the red and blue lines crossing, na, that's, and this side also. You have to draw a line from the center to this and here also. Then you will get half power beam width, HPBW. Then you have to do tilt your antenna like this 90 degree for both that also. Then you start the same thing, same procedure. Here what is the HPBW and next H plane, this is E plane, take a measurement for H plane also. Then you find the HPBW in both H plane, E plane, then you calculate the directivity also. This is radiation pattern. After this you find the directivity. Here you can save a graph. I will save for you one graph. See, this is save graph. So graph saved in the name of, in F folder, 20th June, today's date 2020 14 2 o'clock 57 minutes 22 seconds. This is the name given for file. And one more, you have to select the directory to save. Go to option, have to finish this, okay. Then you have to go to option. There, if you not selected directory, then you select directory. I am already selected F. Suppose you are not selected, means no permission to memory location. So go to your wherever you want. You create your folder, or you give any drive name, you select any drive. So that is important. Otherwise graph will not save. You have to give location. So we will go to that location. F is saved. So we will go to F drive, my PC, go to F. F is here. Here is our readings over there. So many old graphs also there. Today is 20th June. 20th June is here. Graphs are here. 20th June. So it's a beautiful figure of 8 for this is our graph what we now taken. You can take this print, and I will show you the .csv file is here. It will open. So you have reading of number, serial number, angle, dBm, power, all are there up to 360 degree. See, with a resolution of 1.8 degrees, you can see here 1.8 degrees resolution, 99 and 100.8 means 1.8 degree resolution up to 360. See, 360 degree there are readings. So this is how we can interface with system. Okay, I will show you manual operation now. We'll start with manual operation. So for manual operation, the remaining setup is same. Microwave signal generator, you have to find the resonating frequency, transmitting antenna setup, receiving antenna setup, everything is same. So then you select here the time interval is 0. Default, when you turn on the antenna turntable, your step angle is 18, but time is 0. So motor will rotate with 1.8 degree only. When 18 degree comes, it will stop if time interval is given. Stepper motor will work 1.8 rotate with 1.8 degree resolution only. When the time interval given, then this step angle, at this step angle it will stop, 18 degree it will stop. Suppose if you have selected 9, two options 9 and 18, if you select 9, it will stop at 9 degree. Resolution is 1.8 only. The interval, time interval applied, then only it will stop. So now 0 is there. So now I will increase. So here is the time interval button. I will select this time interval 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. 5 seconds is sufficient for me. So you must always ready with your tabular column. So for 18-degree program, see, this is the tabular column, 0, 18, 36, 54, 72 up to 360. You will get 21 readings, but 360, 0 are same, so 20 readings. Okay, so now I will start. You just observe what happens. Go very close to display. Okay, start. So for 0 dB, 18-degree minus 1.75. I think 5 seconds is sufficient. If you want more, you can increase up to 10, up to 99. So the second reading minus 5.16. 54, it will stop. 54 minus 5.36. Next 72. So minus 10.55. Say 2 seconds job, you can note down. If you want, you can note down watts also, microwatts it's coming. 90-degree minus 12.64. So like that, as per my tabular column, it will stop for 5 seconds for in the 18 table. So I will go back. You can see how it is rotating. Okay. (180° over). Next. It's moving now. Stop for 5 seconds. Moving. So when students are manually doing this experiments, they will interfere between Tx and Rx normally. So when they come in between Tx and Rx, there is a interference, signal loss. So maybe your antenna experiment is not fulfilled. So there is a disturbance. When you are using a automatic turntable, there is no disturbance. It is completely remote controlled. So readings are almost all correct, because some errors are there due to we are not doing in the anechoic chamber. Some effects are there, some other signal interference when students using mobile phone near to antenna, some Wi-Fi connections, some Bluetooth, some problems. Avoid using mobile, and after the completion of complete rotation it will come back. Otherwise your that SMA cable rotates always whenever you are conducting, then it will damage. Come back to original position. Here it is 0. So manual operation is over. So no need of system. In examination maybe they ask why you are using system, then you can do manually. There is no system interface. So after filling this, you plot the polar graph and find the directivity. For 18 over 9 also same thing, you just repeat this. So 9 table, see, for tabular column for 9, this is 41 readings, but 360 zeros remains same, so it is 40 readings only. Note down the readings for 9 degree tabular column. Both I have given 9 and 18. You be ready with tabular column, 5 minutes job, you can finish this. Or you want to do it with system interface, you can do it. Okay. For this is for horizontal connection. horizontal mounting. So you can remove this and connect like this. This is vertical. You can connect like this or like this. So for that you have to remove this Allen screw with the Allen key, with the help of Allen key. You can do both. Please contact us for demo, quotations, service, projects, internship for students.